Kid's trying to steal my ball.
Kamay ko.
This morning, the federal court judge issued a ruling certifying a class of individuals. So these people represent everybody like them. Like them are people born on or after February 27th, 2025, inside the United States, to parents who are not diplomats. And that class of individuals, the judge ruled, are U.S. citizens. That the president's executive order is a violation of the U.S. Constitution's Citizenship Clause, and that going forward, people born in the United States do not have to worry about whether or not they're U.S. citizens, depending on what state they live in. In fact, they are all U.S. citizens.
Hands off!
Birthright citizenship!
Hands off!
14th Amendment!
Hands off!
14th Amendment!
Other than saying it is an excellently thought out and written decision that will be immune to challenge at the end of the day. Interestingly enough, I have received, just this week, I had 3 different consults from women who are due in August asking me if they should move from Alabama, Texas, or Georgia to New York or Maryland or California to give birth. That's the kind of nonsense that we're talking about. This is a wacky legal theory, and even the judge said, quote, "This is not a close call." What the judge did do, though, was stay his order for a week, basically saying my order's not in effect for a week, to give the government a chance to appeal and try to get a stay from a federal court. They will try and they will fail. They will then go to the Supreme Court and ask for the same thing. And this is because the federal government promised the Supreme Court that they would not carry out Trump's executive order until the 27th of July. I know people were confused by the Supreme Court's decision on this case a couple of weeks ago. The Supreme Court did not address this issue. They didn't address it. They only addressed the manner in which the issue got to them by saying one person can't come before a federal court and say, I'm harmed, protect everybody. But the court also said you can file a class action, which protects everybody. Kind of the same thing when you think about it. But you go through a little bit more complicated process to get there.
Must go now! Trump must go now!
Is playing from their playbook.
South Korea showed us how.
The Trump regime must go now!
The Trump regime must go now!